Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our guide on mastering the Bricklife economy in Lego Fortnite. Earning money here is essential for upgrading your base, buying valuable resources, and becoming a true tycoon. It's a super fun aspect of the game, adding a whole new layer of strategy. We'll explore the best methods, from simple daily tasks to advanced trading techniques, so you can build your fortune efficiently and enjoy the game even more. Let's dive into the core ways to earn. Resource gathering is your absolute foundation. Always chop wood, mine stone, and collect anything you see. Then, set up a farm. Crops like corn and wheat, or even animal products, provide a steady stream of goods to sell. Don't forget crafting. Transforming raw materials into basic items often adds significant value, giving you more to sell at the marketplace. Once you've got the basics down, think about advanced strategies. Look for recipes that convert common items into rare or highly sought-after ones, increasing their market value dramatically. Participating in player-to-player trading can be incredibly lucrative, especially if you have unique blueprints or rare materials. Also, keep an eye on daily quests and special challenges. They often offer big payouts or exclusive items you can then sell for a high price. To truly maximize your profits, focus on efficiency. Upgrade your tools as soon as possible. Better axes and pickaxes mean faster gathering and more resources per trip. Pay close attention to market trends too. Sell items when demand is high, ensuring you get the best price. Lastly, automate whatever you can. Setting up automatic farms or resource collectors frees you up to focus on crafting high-value items, significantly boosting your hourly earnings. As you continue your journey in Bricklife, remember to diversify your income. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Try a mix of farming, crafting, and trading. Consider joining a community or guild. They can offer shared resources, valuable market insights, and new trading partners. Finally, always stay updated with new game patches. Developers often add new items, mechanics, or quests that can open up entirely new ways to earn money. Keep building that fortune.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.